Alright, today we are going to do 12.6, differentiate of exponential. So earlier on we learned how to differentiate the three main trigo. Differentiate sine, differentiate cosine, differentiate tangent. Today we are going to learn how to differentiate exponential. And we start. So we say that differentiate exponential, as you can see, when I differentiate ex, what do I get? Ex, it didn't change. It didn't change. But is it the real reason? Actually, no. The more correct reason is over here. So I want to look at this. I want to see what actually happened when I differentiate trigo. I differentiate exponential. So when I differentiate exponential, notice that I have a power here. And what happens is, what does this mean? F prime x. I differentiate the power. Okay. So what you want to write now is, I want to write a star, and then I want to describe this in words. Describe the action in words. So what will I write? I will write, I differentiate the power. Of course, I multiply. Multiply. Later you will understand why I want to write down multiply. Multiply, differentiate power. Multiply, differentiate power. So ugly. See, I cannot think. Balik lah. Sorry. I want to multiply. Differentiate the power. Then what do I do? What happened after that? I differentiate. Then after that I copy EFX. You look at the EFX and the EFX here. It is exactly the same. Exactly the same. So I will use a color. So this thing here and this thing here is the same. So what it means is that I actually copy the EFX. Okay, let's see whether it makes sense. Now, if I have this, right, can I apply back to the previous one? What is the power of EX? What is the power of EX? X. So what happens when I differentiate X? I get 1, right? I get 1. So actually these are also differentiate the power. But just happen that when I differentiate X, I get 1. So it is still the same. Okay? So I follow just now what I learned. First, I differentiate the power, I get 1. Then I copy EX. So I copy EX. Now you understand why is it the same? Can Now, so now I try and do some example. So I start. So I write dy dx. What do I get? So this is exponential. So first I want to differentiate the power. What do I get? 2. I get 2. And then what do? I copy the same thing. So e to x. Now what is the worry here? The worry is, in your exam, you are so excited that you decided to minus the power. Cannot. So you must remember the power. I copy back the same thing. So it's e, then 2x. Now look at b now. We are doing here. Okay. Look at b now. Oh, now I have two things. So what I want to do? I want to let y. So I lazy. So I let y be equal to this. Okay. So is this a product rule or chain rule, or is this just individual? I can differentiate. Individual, right? So I look at the first one. So I dy dx. What do I get? Differentiate the power. Okay. So I look at the power. X plus 2. I get 1. So this is differentiate the power. Then what do? I copy back the same thing. So e x plus 2. 1 no need to write. I write because I want to show you I actually differentiate the power. What was the second one? Minus 3 e 3x plus 1. Minus 1. The answer. Easy?
Okay lah.
Quite easy, huh?
No, later then difficult already.
The third one. What is this? Product. Product, then I will underline 2, 3. Oh, so I let 2x be 1. I let e 2x, d to the power of 2x be one function. So let's start. dy, no dy dx. What do I write? F prime x. Okay, so we start. First, what do? I differentiate. I copy the first one. So I copy the first one. Product rule, right? Because of two things. Can you write together with me? So f prime x equal, I copy the first one. I differentiate the second one. What do I get? 2 e 2x. Very good. So this is I differentiate the second one. Copy first, differentiate the second. Then what do I do next? Plus. Copy which one? Copy the second one. So copy e 2x. Then differentiate what? The first one. I get 2. Now can I factorize? What do I factorize? 2e 2x. I can factorize 2? No, this one don't have. Erase. I only factorize. Okay, so I factorize a 2. I factorize a e 2x. I already underlined those I factorize. What is left inside? 2x plus 1. Okay, so in exam, if this is a 2-mark question, you will get 1 mark here, you will get 1 mark here. If it's a 3-mark question, you get 1 mark here, 1 mark here, and 1 mark here. So factorize, I'm telling you, is the 1 mark. Okay, now, not too fast, huh? This is okay. Okay, now let's look at the D now. D, if I have this, what is this? Product rule again, product rule. So maybe before I start, I want to draw 2 trays. I am hoping in the exam you also draw 3 like that. Then I know, at least you know it's product rule. You want to let y? Let y be equals to this. Okay, let's start. dy dx. What do I do? Copy the first one, Copy the first one. So copy the first one means I will write sine 2x. Copy the first one. Differentiate the second. What do I get? Bracket 3e 3x. That makes sense. So I close. Then what do I do? Product rule. What do? I plus. Now what do I do? Copy the second one. So e 3x. Then I differentiate the first one. Differentiate the first one. Sine 2x. What do I get? 2 cosine 2x. Now you want to note that this is because I differentiate the angle. Differentiate the angle. So differentiate the angle is 2x. So when I differentiate 2x, I get 2. Just now when I mark your work, many of you forgot to differentiate the angle. So you missed out the 2 here. So now you know you must have the 2. Can I simplify as in factorize?
Yes. E3x.
Oh, e3x. e3x. The numbers? Nothing. Sine 2x cannot. So I can only factorize e3x. What is left in the first 3? 3 sine 2x. The second 3?
2 sine 2x.
2 cosine
2 cosine 2x.
2x. Answer. Okay?